Hello guys, this trade I want us to analyze. We took it yesterday. Yesterday New York session. So I started from the 15 minutes time frame. So we had this massive sell right here, and then we had a retracement. So for me, a retracement is three candles going the different direction. So that's a valid retracement. So we had this retracement up, and then we had a sell off. So we had this low being we closed below it, not wicked, we closed. So this was a block of structure, right? Then we had this extreme order block up here. We tried coming back to the order block with this incomplete pullback, but we did not mitigate this order block, so it was still valid. So this was my 15-minute order block right here. All right, this is what I labeled as my 15 minutes order block, and it had this fine inducement right here. So initially I was targeting these lows because this is the low which created this high, but we can go to the lower time frame and I show you what happened. So when price mitigated us right here, I dropped to the 5 minutes. On my 5 minute I could see, so we can see we were on a bullish momentum right here. This was a break of structure to the upside, right about here. This was a break of structure to the upside, but again, so we came after we mitigated this order block, we sold very massively to the low side, and we changed character right here. So this was our change of character. This was change of character to the downside, right? So we left this order block, the last buy candle before we started selling, which had a fair value gap, and yeah, of course, a very massive sell. So when we were going back up, I want to show you something. Before we mitigated this order block, price came and stalled around here. So I was very happy when I saw this. We can see a lot of weak rejections, but when we got here, price rejected, started going down a little bit, and then we were mitigated with these wicks, right? Very clear wicks. It didn't close inside the order block, just wicked, and then it started melting down. So initially I was targeting these lows right here. This was around a 1 to 6 or a 1 to 5.5, right? But because it was New York and I was really I was not okay, I don't know what to say. But initially I was targeting a 1 to 5, but I ended up taking a 1 to 3. It was actually a 1 to 3, so it ended somewhere a little bit higher. It was exactly a 1 to 3. Let me see. It was just somewhere there around 1 to 3. I don't know, it's not. It was a 1. I took a 1 to 3. But if you could have taken the whole position, it was supposed to be a 1 to 5.9, but it didn't get there. So I took a 1 to 3 somewhere there. Right. I took a 1 to 3, and everything and the trade was like, for me it was an A plus because of this big fair value gaps. When I took it, I was very sure I'm going to win it. So yeah, that was the trade I took yesterday, and see you in the next videos. Thank you.